Hello everyone. Today I'll be replacing the shock absorbers in a Samsung washing machine. Two new shock absorbers were purchased with delivery for around €10. For the repair, I'll need a screwdriver or a power drill, a 10mm socket wrench, and a 13mm ratchet wrench. The reason for the repair is excessive vibration of the washing machine and the frequent appearance of the SUD error, which indicates excessive foaming. On the back panel of the washing machine, you'll find the model number. It's essential for purchasing the correct shock absorbers. Before starting the repair, I close the water valve and disconnect the appliance from the wastewater system and the electrical home system. I prepare two small rugs to place the washing machine on. I unscrew the back cover, which is held in place by 5 screws. I remove the cover. The first shock absorber is located here. I unscrew the first bolt using a 10mm socket wrench. I repeat the same process with the left shock absorber. Through the holes in the washing machine's base, I unscrew the lower mounting bolt using a 13mm wrench. I pull out the bolt. I remove the shock absorber. The friction shock absorber is not functioning properly. I unscrew the lower bolt of the left shock absorber. I remove the left shock absorber. The shock absorber is not functioning properly. I install the new shock absorber onto the mounts. I screw in the upper mounting bolt. I screw in the lower mounting bolt. I repeat the same steps for the right shock absorber. I screw in the upper mounting bolt. I screw in the lower mounting bolt. I reattach the back cover. I screw in the bolts. The repair is complete. I place the washing machine back in position and reconnect it to the system. First wash after the repair. A complete success. The entire repair took about 15 minutes.